As dawn breaks, this male seems to be watching the day go by. But inside, he's a highly tuned killing machine, scanning the grasses for the slightest movement. The hawk is hungry and he's craving some fresh meat. His sharp eyes lock on the chukkar's position, some 50 yards away. To escape predators, the partridge can burst into the air at 30 miles per hour in just a second. But today, she's a second too late. As she struggles to escape, he pierces her lungs and heart with his talons.